South Africa's anti-corruption efforts were once again under the spotlight as former Investigating Directorate Against Corruption, or IDAC, head advocate Andrea Johnson appeared before the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. Her testimony focused on one key question: whether IDAC should have investigated allegations involving alleged Tembisa Hospital looting kingpin Hangwani Maumela. Johnson told the Commission that, despite the seriousness of the allegations, the case does not fall within IDAC's legal mandate. According to her, the issue is not whether the claims deserve investigation, but whether they meet the legal requirements for IDAC to become involved. She explained that IDAC was specifically created to investigate high-level corruption, including complex financial crimes, state capture matters, and cases considered to be of national importance. Its responsibilities are narrowly defined by law, meaning the unit cannot simply take over every corruption investigation that attracts public attention. The Tembisa Hospital allegations have generated widespread concern because they involve claims of procurement irregularities, inflated contracts, and the alleged misuse of public funds. Hangwani Maumela has frequently been identified as a central figure in these allegations, leading many people to question why a specialized anti-corruption unit would not handle the matter. However, Johnson argued that expanding IDAC's responsibilities beyond its legal authority could weaken the institution. She told the commissioners that maintaining clear legal boundaries is essential to preserving the effectiveness and the credibility of the agency. In her view, high-profile cases cannot automatically justify exceptions to established legal mandates. Instead, Johnson suggested that the investigations of this nature may be more appropriately handled by other law enforcement bodies, such as the Hawks or relevant provincial anti-corruption units, depending on the circumstances of the case. The Commission also questioned whether the scale and the public impact of the Tembisa Hospital allegations could justify a different approach. Johnson maintained that any decision to investigate must always be supported by a clear legal foundation. Without that foundation, she warned, institutions risk undermining the laws that define their authority. Her testimony comes as the Madlanga Commission continues examining how IDAC selected its cases and whether those decisions were based strictly on legal criteria. The broader discussion highlights an ongoing challenge in anti-corruption work, balancing strong public expectations with the legal limits that govern investigative agencies. As the inquiry continues, further testimony may provide additional insight into how South Africa's anti-corruption institutions determine their responsibilities and whether existing legal frameworks effectively support accountability. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and in-depth coverage of important developments.